you tired of listening to us talk?
Well, yes.
So occasionally, we're going to ask you some questions.
So my name is Chris Bush. I build food systems, and currently that comes out as I'm the Director of Operations and Special Projects for a poultry manure fertilizer company called Fancy Chicken. Why do I race lemons? So last October, I was up on the mountain on my dirt bike and did a big number on my knee, and I decided I think I need to find something else fun to do. And there was a story on the radio about this race in 2 weeks called the 24 Hours of Lemons, and it was $500 cars. And I thought, 2 weeks? I could probably do that. And then I found out that you actually have to do some things to the cars. But, kind of story of my life. Winston Churchill said success is moving from failure to failure without losing enthusiasm. I thought, boy, that lemon sounds like a place that will fit very well. I joke that I misread the rules. The reality is I just like big parties. So we brought 3 cars to our inaugural race. We started with Loretta the Jetta, a 92 GTX that had all sorts of things done to it already. And then we set it on fire, and we're preserving the fuel pump in ruins, as the German churches do. But it is a stock GTX, 2-liter 16 valve. Then I realized, as much as I like that car, it may not be reliable, so I bought an 06 Focus ZX3 that we built because I just thought it would run the weekend. I got very excited about this lemons thing, and I talked about it a lot. And before long, I had 20 people that wanted to come and do it with me, and 11 of them had the wherewithal to actually make that happen. So 12 people on 2 cars runs terrible risk. So I went and I found a Thunderbird. It lasted all of 90 minutes. But it was by far our best looking car, towing a fertilizer spreader, and it's Amish automation. Nothing was really done to any of them. We put some springs in the Focus. It sat on the side of the hill for at least 6 years and was buried to the belt line in leaves when we dragged it out. We actually didn't even have gauges working or almost anything else, but they went and they managed, after a great deal of pain, to pass tech. Yeah, boy, my biggest win in lemons. My life desperately needed some fun. There was all sorts of dark, hard things going on. And like I said, I needed some fun. I bought a suit that was too small. I lost 27 pounds getting ready for it. I flew my dad out from Toronto to be part of that. But the best thing, I think, was watching the people's eyes light up and seeing the father's daughters that were on it, seeing the dad get all choked up. It was beautiful. Or Trevor, our welder, so brokenhearted after tech, and then when we managed to pass, apologizing for having a bad attitude. Just the amazing people too. My goodness, like on my team and all around us. So my biggest win, just getting to do this, because it made my life better. Yeah, so our biggest fail in lemons, it's not a fail though, because it made it fun. The 2 guys that did the heavy lifting after we blew the Jetta up said that was the highlight of their weekend, is how the people came around. Fail, boy, going home was hard, because man, I love this. I do something weird. I really want to put some ridiculous diesel something or other in something that's just not right. We had a shot at a 2001 Mustang GT with no motor, and we had previously acquired an inline 6 turbo diesel Mercedes that turned out to be too far gone. And I thought, we got to drop that motor in that Mustang, because seeing that rolling cold down the back straight, but that was a bridge too far for 3 weeks to the race. So we bought the Thunderbird instead. But we will do something. We have a 3-cylinder turbo diesel out of a loader that we're going to put in something strange, maybe a Miata or something, just cause. The Super Coupe that's replacing Thunderbird 1 is the one I'm excited about, and we're going to really make that happen. Just want to say to anybody that's like me that wanted to be a race car driver since he was 7 years old, man, this is the place to do it, because well, it's possible, because it's not just for rich idiots, it's for all of us. And man, it's so fun. Yeah, come out, do it. Just do it. Don't be shy.
We've had to change the name of our team over the course of the weekend from Fancy Chicken Racing to Fancy Chicken Fixing.
Every second you don't subscribe or watch one of these videos, another Vega is sent to the crusher. Won't you help us save Classic?